Hi, welcome to ExamDebug. I'm Chris, and we're going to be looking at how to append files to tables this time. So if you haven't already, please watch how to import a database first, as this is a continuation of that video. So last time we imported a file from scratch, and the field names were included when we imported. So in some cases though, during the exam, you'll be asked to first make your own table and then import the data into the table you've created. So, I mean, it's exactly the same as making a table. You just go through and you set up your data types and all your other things exactly as it tells you to. So it will say you must have price with a currency set to euros with 2 decimal places. So you do all that first, and then what you're going to have to do is import the data into that table. So that's what I've set up here, is I've already created the fields that we want, and I've already set up the data types to go with it. And this time I'm going to import in. So once again, I go to external data and import. I choose text file. I find the file I want. So this time I'm going to choose a slightly different one where I've removed the field names. And this time I'm not going to choose this first one. I'm going to choose the second one. So I'm going to append the copy. And make sure you choose the correct tables, because a lot of the time that's where people go wrong here. They try and append it to the wrong table. Once you've done that, click OK. Okay, it's saying if it's open, it has to close. So yes, that's okay. Okay. Once again, these are the same options as before. So it's based on commas. So delimited. And again, commas. Now, this time be careful because my first row does not contain field names. So if I click this, then I'm going to get an error because it's going to try and find these fields for me. So we want to make sure that this is not selected this time round. Click Next. Import the table, data cars. Don't want to analyze. And so I can simply finish. Okay, and once again, there's going to be some errors because of the way I've set up one of my fields, but that was deliberate. Okay, so these are the errors that we had, which was the engine size. So if you remember last time, the engine size has NAs, and we wanted to get rid of them. So those are deliberate errors, which work for us this time. And N122 cars now has all of these records inside. And so it worked as expected. So it's a little bit different from importing where it sets up your field names for you. It takes maybe a little bit more work at the beginning, but it's maybe easier on the actual appending part once you know what you're doing. Okay, so just a quick one today. Thanks for watching. Please check out more videos and good luck with your exams.